Welcome to Easy Urdu. In this video, we will be learning the Urdu alphabet. There are a total of 39 Urdu letters. These letters may appear complicated, but to make it simple for you to learn, I have divided them into 12 series. Letters with the same basic shape will remain in one series, while their sounds will be altered with the symbols and dots. First series is Alif series. We have given the name Alif to this series because first letter of this series is Alif. It has two letters in it as they both have the same basic shape, and the second letter has a symbol on it. Similarly, this one is Be series. This series has 5 letters in it. All these letters have same basic shape with different dot position and symbols. We call this Be series because first letter is Be. This one is Jim series, Dal series, Re series, Sin series, Swad series, Toy series, Ain series, Fe series, Kyaf series. Since all of these letters have different shapes, I kept all of them in this last series, and the name of this series is Lam series because the name of the first letter is Lam. Purpose of dividing these letters into series is so you can remember them easily. Now we are going to learn the sound of Urdu alphabet. First letter is Alif. Alif. And in English it sounds like A. Second letter is Alif Madda. Alif Madda. In English it sounds like double A. Be. Be. In English it sounds like B. Pe. Pe. In English P. Te. Te. In English it sounds like T. This letter makes the dental sound in Urdu alphabet. Te. Te. In English it sounds like double T, and this letter makes the retroflex sound. Se. Se. In English it is S. Jim. Jim. In English it sounds like J. 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 In English it sounds like CH. He. He. In English it is H. He. He. In English KH. Dal. Dal. In English it sounds like D. This letter makes the dental sound. Dal. Dal. In English it sounds like DH. This letter makes the retroflex sound. Dental sounds are soft while the retroflex sounds are heavy. I made a separate video on dental and retroflex sound in Urdu alphabet. I have added the link of that video in description. Zal. Zal. In English it sounds like Z. Re. Re. In English it sounds like R. This letter makes the dental sound. Re. Are. In English it sounds like double R. This letter makes the retroflex sound. Z. Z. In English, it sounds like Z. Ye. Ye. In English, it sounds like ZH. Seen. Seen. In English, S. Sheen. Sheen. In English, it sounds like SH. Swad. Swad. In English, it sounds like S. Zwad. Zwad. In English, it sounds like Z. Toy. Toy. In English, it sounds like T, and this letter makes the dental sound. Zoe. Zoe. In English, it sounds like Z. Ein. Ein. In English, it sounds like E. Rein. Rein. In English, it sounds like GH. Fe. Fe. In English, it sounds like F. Cough. Cough. In English, it sounds like Q. Calf. Calf. In English, it sounds like K. Golf. Golf. In English, it sounds like G. Lam. Lam. In English, it sounds like L. Meme. Meme. In English, it sounds like M. Noon. Noon. In English, it sounds like N. Vow. Vow. In English, sounds like W. Hey. Hey. In English, it sounds like H. Hey. This letter is just like the previous letter, but this letter make little heavy sound. Hey. English sound is H. Hamza. Hamza. In English, A, E or I. Choti ye. Choti ye. In Urdu, choti means small, so we can also call it small ye. In English, it sounds like Y. Badi ye. Badi ye. In Urdu, badi means big, so we can also call it big ye. In English, it sounds like Y. Subscribe to Easy Urdu if you want to see more content like this, and tap the bell icon to get alerts to new videos as they are uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.